Samantala, dumako muli tayo sa Diliman Preparatory School sa mga pinapanapan doon, kasama sina Julius de Samburon at Cheska Aguiluz. Cheska, Julius.
Yes, magandang umaga at maraming salamat sa iyo, no, Vivienne. Aba, ngayong umagang ito, Chess, nakikita mo na talagang ayan na, nagdadagsaan itong mga grade school, high school, mga mag-aaral natin, ano?
Dumadami na nga ang estudyante dito, Julius, kaya dun sa mga estudyante pa na on the way, naku, bilisan nyo na, malapit na mag-alas 7 ng umaga, baka malate kayo.
Oo, ayon nga dito, is 7:30 ang kanilang klase, but in a while or 8, after 30 minutes, magkakaroon sila ng program, and especially even the flag raising ceremony kasi Monday ngayon, no, Cheska.
Julius, ito palang Diliman Preparatory School ay in partnership sa Department of Health. Sila nga pala isang health promoting school. At kasama nga natin ngayon si Miss
Jennifer Valdez, ang student.
Miss Jennifer Valdez.
Student Development Coordinator dito po sa Diliman.
Yes, good morning everybody. Welcome back to School Dilimanians. It's really a nice Monday morning for everybody. Thank you for coming also.
You're welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede niyo po bang ipaliwanag ang inyong partnership with DOH?
Yes, because we signed a MOA with the DOH, we are the first health promoting school in the country. And because of that, as you can see in our brochure, we have a week living. In fact, a Monday is what we call the Meatless Monday. Tomorrow we're gonna do Zumba Tuesday. That's for faculty, parents, or even the children, okay? And then Wednesdays, walk on Wednesdays. Meaning to say they have to take the longer route para ma-exercise sila before they actually start with the classes. And then we have Thankful Thursdays. Okay, that's when they write about the things that they are thankful for or grateful for. And then we go veggies and fruits and veggies on Friday. Siyempre, meron din yan extended up to the weekends. We have Feet on Saturday and Fun Day Sunday.
Ma'am,
Go ahead.
ma'am, paano po kayo nakakasigurado na masusunod po ito tulad na lang po ng Meatless Monday?
Okay, first of all, what we need to do is we will orient the parents. You know, we cannot have a program implemented successfully without the cooperation of the parents. So we will start it with the orientation. And this is just, this we will do with the monitoring of the kids' snack and the kids' lunch. And then until such time that they learn to make it a habit or a part of their habit for the week, diba? So we encourage not only the students but also the families.
Monitor din po ba ang mga canteens?
Yes, ma'am. That's what we will do. We will caloric count. We have already started making over all these things, talking with the concessionaires and making sure that we have more healthy choices in the canteen.
Okay, Julius?
Ma'am, nabanggit niyo po kanina about the obstacles.
Yes.
You put,
Yes, we will put up. We just removed it yesterday kasi umuulan, but we will try to put it up. And then this is an obstacle course where the kids can hop and jump so that they can move and exercise a bit before they start into the serious part of the learning.
Ma'am, did you promote the healthy living, ma'am, exercise?
Yes, we actually have physical activities and we have enhanced sports program. We offer taekwondo. We have 3 swimming pools, by the way. And we also are very, yung aking mga anak mo kulit, we're also very active in terms of competitions sa sports.
So, ma'am, aside po doon, being a student development coordinator, ano po yung mga ginagawa pa po ninyong programs?
Well, of course, we also have the school-wide discipline plan, where we have behavior expectations in different settings for all students. For example, sa hallway, yan. But you will see this in the next few weeks. So may kita nyo meron tayong mga behavior expectations in different places like the corridor area, the restrooms, the hallways.
Ma'am, ngayon pong Monday morning, Manic Monday na nga, kung totoo. Ano po inaasahan po natin ngayon, ma'am?
We will have our flag ceremony at 8 o'clock for the grade school, and then the high school will follow after that. By the way, I'm inviting you to also visit our high school department.
Alright, so ayan Julius, malapit nang mag-alas 7. So ma'am, ano naman po ang inyong mensahe sa mga estudyante at sa mga guro ngayong school year?
Well, we welcome everybody to academic year 2013-2014. It's going to be an exciting year because here at DPS, we bring out the genius in every child.
Ayan, Okay, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Jennifer.
Marami pong salamat,
Okay,
ma'am.
maraming salamat po. Aba, ngayon pong umaga na ito, talagang paalala natin, no, Cheska, do sa ating mga estudyante na pupunta rin po talaga dito, na talagang magmabilis na para umabot po sa ating pong program namin.
At
Okay.
Julius, maganda itong programa kasi di ba nga pinopromote ng Department of Health ang healthy living. At sa mga estudyante natin dyan, naku, wag na kayong magreklamo kapag kayo pinagpapawisan dahil para sa,
Ingat din ito
yes,
dahil,
it's for your own
exercise.
benefit. Tama.
Aba, ito, Iyo, anong Cal?
Napawisan na siya.
Opo, ayan, okay.
Nakapag-exercise na siya,
Nakapag-exercise na rin siya. Aba, ngayon din po umaga, nandito po sa Diliman Preparatory, ito po yung side ng ating preschool and also the high school department na nandito po, ma'am. Asa po pala, meantime, ma'am, asa po yung ating pong high school department?
The high school department is in the next building. Ito po yung grade school natin, grades 1 and 2. Dito po ang ating ECE or Early Childhood Education, which includes toddler, nursery, kinder, prep.
Ayan, okay po. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Talagang sinasabi nga natin na talagang ngayon na nakita ko nga dun it's really more fun in Diliman Preparatory School ng Cheska. Yung mga paalala naman natin ngayon, no, Ches, dahil nga sa ating mga mag-aaralan. No?
Nako, sa mga estudyante natin dyan, una-una pumasok ng maaga, gawin ang homework ng maaga, at syempre makinig sa ating mga kapwa estudyante at sa ating mga guro.
Ayan, okay, mag-aral po tayong mabuti. Nako, mga kabalitaan. Okay, yan muna ang pinakahuling mga sitwasyon. Ngayon, dito mga kabalitaan, na nakikita ko na talagang sumisilip itong si Haring Araw. Ngayong magandang Lunes, it's a Manic, a beautiful Monday. Diba?
Mabuti naman at hindi na umuulan.
Oo nga, no, Cheska talaga. Okay, yan muna ang pinakahuling mga sitwasyon. Live pa rin mula po dito sa Diliman Preparatory School sa Quezon City. Kasama po ang Unit 4. Ako, si Julius.
Ako si Cheska Aguiluz, nag-uulat
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming salamat, Julius and Cheska.